Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register your Medicare. To begin setting up your Medicare member portal account, open your web browser. In the search bar, type Medicare member portal and hit enter. Once the search results appear, locate the official Medicare website link and click on it. On the Medicare homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the Sign In button to be directed to the login page. Below the login fields, find and select the option that says Create an account. You will now be directed to the account registration page. Begin by entering your personal information as prompted, including your first name, last name, and Medicare number. Be sure to accurately input your date of birth and zip code as well. Once all required fields are filled out, click the Next button to continue. The system will then guide you through additional steps, which may include verifying your identity. Follow the prompts to answer any security questions or enter confirmation codes sent to your email or phone. After successfully verifying your identity, you'll be prompted to create a username and password. Choose a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for better security. Once you've created your login credentials, fill in any additional required information. Review all your entries for accuracy before proceeding. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Submit button to finalize your account setup. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your account has been created successfully. Now, you can return to the login page and enter your new username and password. Congratulations, you are now ready to explore your Medicare member portal account. If you encounter any issues during registration, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance. This process will give you access to valuable information about your Medicare benefits and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.